Hi guys, welcome to How to Zone. In this video, we're going to be talking about a secret iPhone feature which is always active and is always monitoring you, but you have no idea about it. So, in this video, we're talking none other than attention awareness from Face ID on Apple. So, what is it, you might be wondering? You know how you just normally pick up your phone, just look at the screen, and then it just enables Face ID and it just unlocks. It is not been doing that automatically. It actually has sensors that actually checks whether you're looking at your phone or not. Now, if you don't like this happening on your phone and you want to go ahead and turn that off, simply go ahead and open your settings just like that, and then scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find Face ID and passcode and click on that. Now, simply go ahead and unlock it. And now all you need to do is scroll all the way down. And as you can see, there is going to be attention right over here. So as you can see, it says require attention for Face ID. True Depth Camera provides an additional level of security by verifying that you're looking at an iPhone before authentication. Attention detection may not work with some sunglasses. Face ID will always require attention when you're wearing a mask. Go ahead and turn that off. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.